wasn't even fucking on! I gotta do my fucking homework! Look at this shit! Because the fucking fat ass teacher is like, George, if you don't do this homework, I'm gonna eat you. Get it! You know how fucking hard math is like shit! And then here we go, my fucking fat ass teacher is like, she's like, damn, man, I can, and she's gonna give me like your one fucking gold. Karen, fucking, I barely got 2 answers done already. You know how long it took me? It took me like fucking forever. Damn it, fucking. I keep saying fuck a lot because fuck is my favorite word now. Oh, they can hear me because I'm so fucking angry right now. We're doing my fucking homework, and if I knew it, she's gonna eat me like in one go. No, that's it for me. I'm not gonna do my homework. That's it for me. No. And my bad teacher, she said she's so sexy, but no, she's not. No, she's like fucking LSP. Like, oh my god, you don't do homework. I'm gonna eat your shit out of you, fucking. Teacher, come here. Come here. Come here. It's like this, bitch. You see the little hole? Yeah, she's like her. With that big ass. Look at this big fucking fat ass. Look. We love to play Tinkerbell because that's her name. Tinkerbell's your name. Yes, it is. Right, Tinkerbell. Yes, it is. She can do that shaking booty thing much. What? Oh, I'm sorry, Tinker, for scaring you. Look at this. It's like huge. It's like my teacher, like, after she walks back, like, boom, son. It's like, hey, you smell like shit. Tinker, what are you doing on the fucking table, huh? What are you doing in the table? Why is your butt on the screen? Look, your butt, like, people are gonna see that on the internet and they're gonna be like, look at this ass. It's like so cute. Oh, sorry, Tinker, I'm torturing you. Why the fuck am I upside down?